Okay, so we are gonna ice the cupcakes. A lot of times you'll maybe want to do them green for St. Patrick's Day, but a lot of these things that are going on top are actually green. I do want to, if you look at the terry, we've got the orange up here, so I kind of want to bring more of the orange down. So I still have this bag here that I've cut the hole in earlier. What I'm going to do is just kind of wipe this clean here. And I'm going to use a tip number, this is a 506. It's a big star tip, basically. It's a little bit bigger than a 21 or a 22. Now put it in a parchment bag, cut off the end, and then I'll go ahead and take this and pop this inside. And then here's our cupcakes. They're just standard size cupcakes, and I'm just going to squeeze and go all the way around the edge and then come into the center like so. Okay, so I'll do a whole bunch of orange ones. I'll probably do some, yellow, like goldy yellow. This is a AmeriColor golden yellow that I used to get this color. And then I will do some in the green. I'm probably going to stay away from the purple. I might do a few blue, and I'll do it the same way because the ones that we're going to put the little rainbow in might have a blue base. Okay, but I could also put some in the orange or whatever. Okay, so on this one, I think I'll go ahead and just take I'll take one of these clovers and pop it right on top. That's a little plain, right? And what I'm going to do is I thought it'd be cute if I put a little face on this. So I've got white in a bag with the tip number 3 for the eyes. What I want to do is have the tip straight up and down. I want to squeeze, move the tip up slightly. Stop squeezing, pull the tip away, squeeze, move the tip up slightly. So basically they're not, when I do that, move the tip up, I'm getting more of an oval eye rather than round. Then I have a tip number 1 with black, and we'll just do 2 little dots here for the eyes. Of course, you gotta have little eyebrows, so squeeze, move the tip off. So what I did is I squeeze, see how it's a little thicker here? I squeezed, reduce the pressure until you stop squeezing when you come around here, and just pull the tip away. For the mouth, we'll take the same tip here and we'll just squeeze, come all the way over. Make some little smile lines, like so. And then I'm gonna take some yellow. This is a tip number 2. And I wanna make some hair, so squeeze and just do little curlies. Squeeze, rotate the tip around. Okay, and we'll give him a little yellow nose also. Voila! So we'll do a whole bunch of these. We'll do the bigger ones like this, and then the smaller ones that we have, maybe we'll put 2 or 3 on one cupcake. So I might do another cupcake here with the orange. We'll put a couple here. Okay, and just stick those in like so, just like that. Okay, we can also put some of the sparkly dust on these. Maybe the ones that are plain, we'll go ahead and put some sparklies on that. Put those in between. Okay, so we can kind of start to put these up here. Okay, let's do another one with orange and put one of the hats on here. Okay, so I'll take one of the hats, pop it on, and then I'll take the black and we'll go all the way around the base and make a hat band. Okay, then we'll go ahead and take the yellow, make the buckle in the front.